This is actually my first meat grinder, as in an electric one. Let's first assemble it together, then we'll try it and see how it goes. This is the blade that will cut the meat. Please pay attention to this part. It's very crucial to be able to fix it well. Press on the knob and then insert it and turn it. Yeah. It's fast, efficient, and very, very nice. The meat was actually very, very, very grounded. Much more than I actually expected. I'm grateful I bought it. You should try it too.
Isn't God wonderful?
If you like this review, please subscribe to our channel and like and share with family. Thank you. God bless you.